Hello, algebra students. Okay, so today we're going to talk about percent change because you see this happens a lot. Uh, I know one of the big things to talk about unemployment. It's gone up so many percent in the past few days and stuff like that. You'll see that a lot, especially because that's the news right now. You'll also see other things with percent increase or percent decrease too. So, you know, it's kind of the opposite of what we were doing where we were measuring percent. Now we want to figure out what is the percent. Okay, so there's a different formula in the slides and in the group and in the guided notes if you want to use, but I'm going to stick with what we were using. Okay, is of equals percent over 100. Okay, I think it's easy to stick with this, but I'm going to change it. Keep this side the same. This side, I'm going to keep this original. Okay. And here, I'm going to go either two ways. If it's an increase, I'm going to write new minus original. And if it's a decrease, I'm going to write original minus new. And that'll be choose which one. I'll put one of these in here. Okay, so R says here, the average monthly precipitation for Chicago, Illinois peaks in June at 4.1 inches. The average monthly precipitation in December is 2.8%. Precipitation is rain or snow. So I guess that's why they use the word, they don't say rain or snow, they say both, okay? So it's precipitation. What is the percent decrease from June to December? So the original amount we're talking about here would be June. Now, they say percent decrease. So decrease says the original minus the new one. 4.1 minus 2.8 equals P over 100. Well, first I have to do that. But let's do 4.1 minus 2.8 in a calculator. Don't mess with it if you don't want to. Clear 4.1 minus 2.8 just gives me 1.3. So 1.3 over 4.1 equals P over 100. Now we do this. 4.1 times P is 4.1 P. 1.3 times 100, 1.3 times 100 is 130. Then I'm going to take this and divide both sides by 4.1. Gone. P equals 130 divided by 4.1 is equal 32%. I'll be right back. I got a phone